on ragdoll engine. Forced. 3 boys that are destroying people's lives. These 3 people are mainly like to do this. That one's called Executory. This one's called Owly. This one, all 3 of these are the meanest bullies on earth. And he likes this. Every time you drink it, they chase you. But if they try to, and you juke them out, they can't. And mainly they're bullies. But I can do this tonight. Listen closely and be quiet. Mainly he cannot spell that easily. Now, look what I can do. Listen closely and slowly. Shh. Be quiet. Yo! Oh.
Alright, I got myself a crowbar again. Yes, I knew it. I knew it, everybody.
Wait.
I knew I needed a crowbar.
Wait for it.
Okay, but where can I find it?
5,
Where can I find the
4, 3, 2,
things?
1.
I was supposed to say, hold on, what if we just make
Look at that. I juked both of them out.
Okay, then, let's see. Oh,
Now let's see what I can do to this fat teapot.
no, I'm not recollecting items.
10, 9, 4, 3. Ha ha. And I rocket him into space. Listen back. And I rocket him back in space. He's made with a teapot that likes to eat. Now this person does that. Oh yeah, they're gonna fly away and fall off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Told you. Of them with waffle. Oh, Jesus, no hacking.
That was actually hard.
10, 9, 7, not 7, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Wait for all of them to appear. It's over, we got him. Look at that! That's so funny. Oops. Wait for these two. it's over, we get autumn. Now, let's get to the point. Why do they bully? Well, they were mainly a noob and didn't want to bully. And now they want to. Now, if you see what I can do is click this and do this. And then their accounts will be deleted. But one funny moment. Oh yeah. Yeah, you tried. Chop number 9. Mainly one. Let's move on to the next one. Top number 9. The mean guy. This person was named 3X Sadness Tears is and bully that kick do this to people. And I don't know why, but he can do this. Next one. 4 people that'll do mean. That'll be mean to this poor noob. He is not an actual noob. Okay, let's tell them to stop. If she says no, I'm gonna. Okay. No. No, you stop. Stop bullying him. Oh, no. No, alien. Nice. Nice big head. Next one. Bit and chunky robot. This is actually me. I'm actually the chunky robot. Nice. Let's move on to the next one because I'm not even a bully. Number 7. These two people are mainly and let me tell them nice emotes. They both said at the same time. Nice Grandma. I'm just spying on people. Okay, so this person is actually a bad guy in game. Let me say that's stalking. I do not like stalking, but I don't know if the and she knows me. That's a mean thing. And now on to number 6. The person was on this person's head. This person is named Desk0701. She mainly wants to fake AFK. Because look, when she, oh my. Oh, I gotta say that. No.
This was nice. Okay, there you go.
Let me try to do an emote.
Year 2021 batch. Here we are.
People.
What are you doing today? Your hat is just a little bit glowy than mine. See, you have the glow, which I don't know how you pull that, but as long as we got 2021 to see, we finally did it. Anyways, guys,
Dude.
this is Adrian. You know, this game is starting to get to the point that it's not easy as code anymore.
I mean,
I don't know how to explain it, but
it's that emote.
21, what a new year. Let's see, in 2021 this year, what kind of dress is this supposed to be? But hey, at least it suits her very well. I really like the fireworks here. The way it just shoots out fireworks so beautifully.
Oh, no, no, no. One, one, one. On the wig. I'm not. The people are talking with these people. Okay, let's move on to number 5. Oh my, get off my head. Did she push a bomb on me? Nope. Okay, let's move on to number 5. Number 5. Baby Yoda. I do not know if she's away, if she's never mind. The person who I just put, I don't know if that put, I don't know, but I would keep doing this. And then I would just do that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, crap. Gonna run away. Hey. Manly baby. Okay, let's stop bullying. Let's just move on to the other one. Oh, crap. They walk. We're moving to the next one. Number 4. Janet. Manly Janet is trying to destroy our Roblox world. But how? Well, he is trying to break everybody's life. This portion is trying to break everybody's life. Now, if you want to really hear a close stand of him, here's a close stand of him. He mainly wants to destroy people in game, but people who are not, oh, people who like to do that. Okay, let's just get on to the next one. Number 3, and clone of the big boy, of the bad boys. This person is a clone of that Weedle. He mainly wants to destroy me right now. And now, let's move on to number 2. Number 2. We already did that person. This one. XX Joe Mama Yeet is... He mainly wants to destroy me and destroy the world. Here's a close talk if you want to actually hear what I'm saying. Mainly, he's trying to destroy the world. He's trying to destroy my wire/body and turn me into an ender and turn me into a skeleton. But I won't let that happen. I will save everybody in game, not in real life. And this code is mainly how to turn off people's eyes. Told you. I knew he was bad. Now let's drink this and destroy him and destroy his wife. Now let's fight. Set. Ready. Set. Ready. Go. Okay, let's try to defeat him. Nice, I suck. And now he wants to destroy me. Yeah, try to do it again, buddy. Here comes his death. Wait. He does not see me. Wait. Wait, guy. Whoa! Okay, let's move on to number one. Number one, X quality sheet. This person is literally calling me a toilet, but I'm not. Want me. And I just roast or just kidding, I do not. Oh, she exploded into air. Okay, that's the end of top 10 buoys inside Ragdoll engine. The next one is gonna be about people who are mean on listen to. Okay, goodbye. You better not actually roast me in real life because I'll start crying. Or you better not roast me inside the comments. Or this person is trying to get me. I better hurry up and run for my life. Okay, goodbye. Please like and subscribe and comment for more top 10 bullies.